Stop scrolling. If you love to cook, Amazon is hiding some insane deals right now, and I found the best ones so you don't have to. Let's get into it. Plus or minus 1 degree of temperature accuracy, a 0.65 millimeter gooseneck spout for precise pour control, and a 2-hour hold function. This is a serious pour-over setup. 15% off brings it to $59. The slim gooseneck gives direct control over water flow speed, which genuinely affects extraction and flavor. Built-in stopwatch tracks brew time on screen. 6 full-size 18 by 26-inch aluminum baking sheets for $85, 15% off, and the specs hold up for commercial or heavy home use. NSF-certified food-grade aluminum, oven-safe to 500 degrees, mirror-polished surface reduces sticking without coating that wears off over time. Deep edges contain juices and drippings so the oven stays clean. Sturdy enough to resist warping at high temperatures. Audible click seal, freezer burn protection, and 74 bags per pack. Hefty's slider freezer bags are the upgrade over standard zip bags that's hard to argue with. 20% off brings it down to $8. The patented Max Lock track clicks closed, so there's no second guessing the seal. Thicker plastic handles, long-term freezer storage without the burn. Detachable handles, 17 pieces, oven and induction compatible. The CAROTE cookware set covers every cooking situation in one box. 40% off brings it down to $60. Click on handles, lock in securely for stovetop use, remove for oven, grill, fridge, or compact storage. Even heat distribution, no hot spots, reinforced nonstick coating that's dishwasher safe. 3 cooking functions, built-in toss reminder, and a viewing window that shows exactly what's happening inside. The Cuisinart Air Fryer gets the details right. 33% off brings it down to $60. 2.6 quart capacity is sized for 1 to 2 people. 1100 watts heats to 400 degrees. Air fry, roast, and bake modes, plus 3 presets for fries, wings, and frozen snacks. Cuts on one side, flips into a charcuterie and snack board on the other, and the clear locking lid keeps everything in place for transport. This Farberware board does 3 jobs at once. 28% off brings it down to $24. Bamboo construction, single storage compartment underneath the lid for organizing cheese, fruit, nuts, and meats. Secure enough to bring to a picnic or party without rearranging in the car. Turns dead space under a shelf into usable drawer storage. No tools, no drilling, just 3M VHB tape, and it's done. 41% off brings it down to $12. Fits any shelf over 9.25 inches wide with a maximum thickness of 0.75 inches. Perfect for small, loose items that clutter kitchen drawers, spice packets, twist ties, batteries, anything that disappears into the back of a cabinet. 26% off brings this stainless steel sink caddy down to $17, and the sloped drain base is what separates it from cheaper versions. Water drains out of sight instead of pooling at the bottom and staying there. Separate compartments for brushes and bottles, built-in rail for drying wet sponges. Fingerprint-proof coating keeps it looking clean between wipes. Non-slip feet stay planted on the counter. 6 sensors, NIST-certified accuracy to half a degree, and 3,000 feet of wireless range. The ThermoMaven G1 is a serious meat thermometer. 37% off brings it down to $38. No app required for basic use. The smart display base shows real-time temperature and lets you set targets directly on the device. Bluetooth app available for remote monitoring from a phone when needed. Airtight seal, one-way CO2 valve, built-in date tracker, and a stainless steel scoop with hook. The Veken coffee canister covers every variable that affects bean freshness. 25% off brings the 39-ounce version down to $30. Sized specifically to hold a standard 2.2-pound bag of coffee without leftover beans sitting in the original packaging. Window-free design blocks light. CO2 valve releases gas without letting oxygen in. A complete teacher gift box for $11.58, 10% off, and genuinely thoughtful for the price. Stainless steel insulated tumbler keeps drinks cold for 9 hours and hot for 3. Comes with a lid, straw, and cleaning brush. Funny off-duty socks, a teacher survival kit pen bag, and a blank greeting card all packed together. Everything arrives gift-ready with no assembly needed. 6 18-ounce glass bottles with stainless steel caps, silicone seals, and a bottle brush included, all for $20 after 16% off. Food-grade thick glass, BPA-free, no odor or flavor transfer between uses. Wide mouth makes filling and cleaning straightforward. Fits standard car cup holders, works for juice, kombucha, iced coffee, smoothies, or homemade drinks stored in the fridge. Clear, divided, and stackable pantry bins with removable dividers. Straightforward organization that actually works. 10% off brings the set to $45. 6 sections per bin. Removable dividers adjust for different item sizes. Handle on one side for easy pulling off a shelf. Each bin measures 10.5 by 6 by 3.5 inches. Compact enough for crowded pantry shelves. 2 bowls, 2 blade sets, 450 watts, and a full copper motor built to last. The GANIZA food processor handles meat and vegetables separately without cross-contamination concerns. 35% off brings it down to $33. Glass bowl and stainless steel bowl are visually distinct, so there's no mixing them up between uses. Spring-loaded blades stop immediately when the motor is removed. No accidental cuts during cleaning. Borosilicate glass, airtight snap-lock lids, and oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe all in one container. The HOTEC food storage set covers every use case. 14% off brings it to $19. Each container holds 35 ounces, spacious enough for full meal prep portions without overflow. Silicone seal keeps food fresh and prevents leaks during transport.